Good afternoon and welcome to the Daily Market Update. The DSCX ended its session in the green zone as it marginally gained 2.11 points or 0.03% today and settled at 6,392 points. Market turnover was BDT 9.76 billion, which is a decrease of 17.23% compared to the previous trading day. Orient Infusion, Indo-Bangla Pharmaceuticals, Beacon Pharmaceuticals and Kohinoor Chemicals from the pharmaceutical sector, Islami Bank Bangladesh, Dhaka Bank, Al Arafa Islami Bank, Southeast Bank and Exim Bank from the banking sector and Lubref Bangladesh from the fuel and power sector mainly pulled the market up today. In terms of sector-wise return, the pharmaceutical sector posted the highest return of 0.45%. while the banking sector registered the second highest return of 0.18%. On the other hand, the cement sector posted the highest loss of 1.02%. 7 pharmaceutical companies and 3 industrial companies were among the top 20 gainers today. Navana Pharmaceuticals, ADN Telecom and Indo-Bangla Pharmaceuticals registered the highest gain, while Gemini Seafood, Bidicom Online and Tamij Textiles were the top losers. Navana Pharmaceuticals had the highest gain today as the stock made its trading debut recently. Investors may have anticipated that Bidicom Online will not be able to meet the investors' earnings expectations considering the board meeting on 27th October. Despite declaring staggering annual earnings growth, investors exerted selling pressure on Gemini Seafood. There is no publicly disclosed price-sensitive information for the price increase of the remaining stocks. The trading volume of Anwar Galvanizing, Southeast Bank and Gemini Seafood increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. Investors might have shown interest in Anwar Galvanizing as the company is scheduled to have a board meeting on 27th October. Southeast Bank's volume may have increased significantly as one of the sponsors of the bank had intended to buy a significant number of shares at prevailing market price. There is no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase of the remaining stocks. Today's top 2 news. To bring down NPLs, Bangladesh Bank has issued new policies for NPL rescheduling time to time, yet it came out to be not fruitful enough as rescheduled loans are turning into bad debts. According to the data of Bangladesh Bank, out of Taka 12,380 crore rescheduled loans, around 20% has lapsed into the bad category, which was 18% in the prior year. Even though willful defaulters have always benefited from such policies, Bangladesh Bank once again eased up existing rules of repayment to a large degree that will negatively affect the health of the banking industry as some of the borrowers will misuse the facility. The proposal of Bangladesh Petroleum Corporation BPCs to import 5.45 million tons of fuel oil for 2023 has been approved by the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. Among the 5.45 million tons of fuel oil, 3.86 million of refined fuel oil will be obtained by the sources of government-to-government purchase and the rest of the 1.6 million is the crude oil which will be collected directly from Saudi Aramco and Abu Dhabi company ADNOC. That's all for today. We will be back again on next Sunday with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow LR Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.